everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected, and today I get to speak with Christopher McLaughlin, Chief Marketing Officer, Enterprise Content Division at EMC. I really want to hear his thoughts on Dell EMC being named a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Enterprise Content Management for the 13th consecutive time, as well as the recent product enhancements for Leap and the company's future direction. Hi Chris, how are you doing today?
Laura, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm fantastic, thanks. I'm so happy to have you here today. Now, my first question is, why do you think that Enterprise Content Division, formerly Documentum, has been a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for 13 years?
Laura, we're obviously very pleased and proud to have been named a leader for the 13th year in a row in Gartner's ECM Magic Quadrant. I think this is a reflection of our continued leadership in the market, of really understanding our customers' needs and continuing to evolve and move our product forward in a way that best meets those customer needs.
I definitely agree that understanding the customer and developing a platform accordingly can go a very long way. Now, you've been a perennial presence in the Gartner Magic Quadrant, but considering that they've changed their qualifications, what does that mean for you and the industry?
Laura, this was significant for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, Gartner is recognizing the evolution that we saw in the marketplace 2 or 3 years ago. Obviously, we had to begin building our product in advance of the Gartner Magic Quadrant, but what they've really been seeing is an evolution in customers' needs, an evolution in the way that customers work with content. Secondarily, what Gartner really wanted to do was zoom in and really look at how traditional ECM vendors are evolving to meet these customer needs and really map these vendors, their capabilities against the new requirements that they're seeing in the marketplace. That's why we're so proud of this result, because 13 years ago, we helped invent this space, and what we're doing now is really helping to reinvent this marketplace to meet these new customer needs.
I'm actually really curious to know, did you get any indication, or I guess when were you aware that Gartner was going to change the criteria for its Magic Quadrant this year?
Laura, Gartner alerted us about a year ago that they were thinking about changing the definition for the ECM Magic Quadrant. But obviously, as I alluded to earlier, this is something that we had to be working on for some time prior to that to have product ready that would really qualify to meet Gartner's criteria for this new Magic Quadrant.
You said that Gartner has recognized the revolution that you guys saw in the marketplace 2 or 3 years ago. So I'd love to talk a little bit more about what ECD has done recently to maintain their leadership position despite these changes of criteria.
That answer really begins and ends with Leap. This is a project which we originally launched under Project Horizon 18 months ago at EMC World. And this year at EMC World, 12 months later, we introduced our first 2 apps. And then as we came around this half of the year to Momentum Barcelona, we introduced our platform and 3 additional apps on top of the platform. And what Leap is our next generation content and collaboration platform. And this is the set of tools, the capabilities that has really driven our leadership position in the Magic Quadrant and really positioned EMC, Dell EMC, at the far right of that Magic Quadrant in terms of strategy and vision.
Yeah, we at CMS-Connected have been closely following all the new releases Dell EMC announces, and we love sharing it with our audience as soon as the news breaks. My final question for you is about the future of Dell EMC and what that may look like in your words.
Yes, we talked about the 5 apps that make up Leap, and we're very proud of the progress we've made from an app standpoint, really putting the power of enterprise content and collaboration into the hands of our customers. But what we announced at Momentum Barcelona this year was also our platform, and really making those platform services, the microservices that sit underneath the Leap apps, available to our customers to develop their own applications, to integrate these capabilities into their different line of business technologies. We're also looking further out to a point where we'll be able to offer a marketplace where customers will be able to come, contract for those microservices, for the platform, for our apps, and even for apps that our partners are developing.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for fielding that question. I know it can be a big one to answer, and I want to thank you again for taking some time out of your day to speak with me. It's been such a pleasure talking with you.